See, one question is there. First question, what they are saying, there are two magnets P and T. P is used as permanent magnet and T is used as transformer. So what are the correct option? P high retentivity, low coercivity. What they have given, T has low coercivity, low retentivity. P has low retentivity, high coercivity, and T has high coercivity, high retentivity. So for transformer, what we know, low coercivity and low retentivity, because hysteresis loss should be minimum. So that's why here B option will be the correct. A, C and D option are wrong. This is wrong. Next question, what they have asked, what will be the, if force, velocity, second question, force, velocity and area is considered as physical quantity, find the dimension formula of Young's modulus of elasticity. They have given the options, y is equal to f power 1, v power 0, a power minus 1. These options they have given. See, force, velocity, area are considered as physical quantity. So dimension formula of Young's modulus. So see, Young's modulus in the terms of force, velocity and area. So what we have supposed, dimensions, force is A, B and C. So K is dimensionless constant, F power A, V power B and area power C. To see, write the dimension formula both side. So dimension formula of Young's modulus. So Young's modulus, y is equal to force upon area, force L power 2 L m t raised to minus 2, so divided by area, तो L power minus 1 m t raised to minus 2. Dimension formula of force L m t raised to minus 2 power A, velocity L t raised to minus 1 power B, and area, that is L square power C. Simplify it, L power A, here L power B and 2C, m power A, t power minus 2A minus B. If it is dimensionally correct, so both side dimensions should be same. Compare it. So what happened? This is 2C. So A plus B plus 2C is equal to minus 1, m power 1, m power A, so A is equal to 1, third is minus 2 is equal to minus 2A minus B. If I are putting here minus 2, A is equal to 1, so what happened? Minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus B, minus 2 cancel, B is equal to 0. If you are putting here A, B 0 plus 2C is equal to minus 1, so C is equal to minus 1 by 2. Put here, so what happened? What will be the dimension formula? Y is equal to F power 1, V power 0 and A power minus 1 by 2. Here K is dimensional constant, dimensionless constant. So this is the, which option will be the correct? Here we can see E option is the correct. Here B option and here A option is the correct answer. Here one question is there. This question is asked in JEE 2020 in September, 1st September, first shift. Question is what? In a hypothetical spherical galaxy, the mass density is given by rho is equal to k upon r, Very small r is distance from center. If a planet is rotating at r0 distance from the center of galaxy, find the relation between t and r0. They have given 4 options. See here, suppose this is galaxy at distance r0. Here planet is there. Let mass of planet is m. This planet is rotating with galaxy. So see, when we will talk about the planet m for galaxy, what will be the total mass of this, of radius r0? That will be the effective mass for this m planet. What will be the mass of this? Firstly find with the help of mass density. So see, for finding the mass, what happened, we have taken r distance, a spherical width is, we have taken dr. So what will be the volume of this dr element of a sphere? Density they have given, rho is equal to k upon r. So what about the volume of this dr element? dv is equal to area 4 pi r square dr. So what will be the mass of this dr element at distance r? So dm is equal to rho into dv, density into volume. So that is k upon r 4 pi r square dr. We have to find the volume from 0 to r0. What will be the mass of that galaxy? So we have to integrate 0 to r0. That is k 4 pi r dr. To simplify, 4 pi k, this is r square upon 2, 0 to r0. It comes 4 pi k r0 square upon 2, 2 pi k r0 square. So this will be the mass of galaxy of radius r0. This will be the effective mass for this planet small m. So see here, consider this mass m, mass of galaxy, here planet m at distance r0, it is rotating. So we have to find time period. So we know the gravitational force is equal to, if omega is angular velocity, what we know, gravitational force is equal to gravitational force between m and m. Gravitational force is equal to centrifugal force, that is mr omega square. Centrifugal force. The gravitational force means gm upon m. r0 square is equal to centrifugal force m omega square r. Radius is r0. To simplify this, mm cancel out. So what will be the omega square? Omega square is equal to what? gm upon r0 square into r0. M we have find it 4 pi k, this is 2 pi k into r0 square divided by r0 square into r. G is there. So r0 square cancel. What will be the angular velocity? Omega is equal to under root 2 pi k g upon r. So what will be the time period? So time period t is equal to 2 pi upon omega, 2 pi upon under root 2 pi kg upon r0. So this is equal to 2 pi under root cancel. So this has come under root 2 pi r0 upon kg. 2 pi r naught upon kg. C option will be the correct option. See, one question is there. The fourth question, 1st September, 1st shift, JEE 2020. Correct, two train A and B moving with speed 36 km per hour and 72 km per hour in opposite direction. They are moving in opposite direction. The opposite direction, what will be the meaning of that? And suppose this is in right direction, so this will be in left. Their speed is 36 km per hour and its speed is 72 km per hour. A man moving in a train A. Here is one man. So this is man. He is moving opposite. So this moves right direction. Man is moving in left hand direction. So this speed is 1.8 km per hour with respect to train A. So find the velocity of man as seen from train B. Train B से उसकी speed क्या दिखेगी? 4 options they have given. So see, if we will convert this meter per second, the velocity of train A 36 km per hour, 36 into 5 by 18. So that is what? This is 20 meter per second. So this is the speed of train A, 20 meter per second. The speed of train B will be what? 72 km per hour. So 72 into 5 by 18, that is, 18 2s are here, 10, and this has come 20 meter per second. See, suppose this direction I have taken positive, so this will become negative direction. So this will positive and this is negative with respect to ground. And velocity of man with respect to train A, so that they have given 1.8 km per hour. So what happened? And this is negative because towards left hand side. So 1.8 into 5 by 18. So that is minus 0.5 meter per second. So what we have to find? We have to find velocity of man with respect to किसके हमें चाहिए बेटा? Train B. The velocity of man with respect to train B we want. Okay, how we can find it? Velocity of man with respect to A they have given. So velocity of man with respect to B we want to find velocity of man with respect to train B. So velocity of man minus velocity of train B. This we have to find. So here velocity of man with respect to train A, this is minus 0.5. So velocity of man with respect to A mean velocity of man minus velocity of train. So this they have given minus 0.5 is equal to velocity of man minus VA. VA is 10 meter per second. So 10 you will let left hand side. The velocity of man 10 minus 0.5, so that is 9.5 meter per second. So this will put here velocity of man with respect to train B. The velocity of man has come 9.5 minus velocity of train B. So that is what? Because this is left hand side, so this is negative. So that is minus 20. So 9.5 minus minus plus 20. So that comes 29.5 meter. The velocity of man with respect to train B, that is 29.5 meter per second. So that is B option has correct. So here one thing what we have done, this right hand side we have taken positive, the left hand side becomes negative. That's why this is positive and these both are negative. And velocity of main with respect to train B, relative velocity formula we have applied and we have found it. See here, one question, fifth question is there. A block of mass 3m is suspended by a meter scale rod of mass m as shown in figure. This is rod m. This is rod m. Whole mass is m. If tension in string A is equal to kmg in equilibrium, then the value of k, 4 by 5, 3 by 5, these options they have given. Okay. So see, in this type of question what we have to do, we will take equilibrium, so we will take torque. So torque about, they are not asking about the B in B wire, so you will take the torque along this axis, string B. So what will be the torque? Here, see, tension T, upward distance is 100, mass of this mg, this will act midpoint, mass of rod, here 3 mg will act at 0.75 position. So what will be the distance of this 3 mg? So 100 minus 75, this is 75 cm, and this has distance how much? 50 cm. Okay. So taking torque about axis taken as string B. So see here, this will rotate clockwise and this will rotate anti-clockwise. Okay. So if clockwise you will take positive, the anti-clockwise we have to take negative. So what happened? Clockwise we are taking negative, to T into distance is 100 centimeter. We are taking in CGS system, centimeter gram. Here mg weight is here. What happened? Anti-clockwise, so this is mg into 50 cm. 50. Anti-clockwise we have to take positive. Same way anti-clockwise here, so 3 mg into perpendicular distance 25. Total torque, if it is in equilibrium, the total torque is equal to how much? 0. These are anti-clockwise, this we have taken positive, and this is clockwise tension, so it's negative. The equilibrium net torque is equal to 0. So simply we can solve it. So 100 T is equal to 50 mg plus 53. So that is 125 mg. So tension will be 125 mg upon 100. So this is 5 mg upon 4. So tension they have given kmg. So kmg is equal to 5 mg upon 4. This implies k is equal to 5 by 4. So 5 by 4, k is equal to, so we can see here option A is correct. Equilibrium, only what we have to do, we have to consider equilibrium. The net force is equal to 0 and net torque about each and every point is 0. So we have taken torque about the string B and we have considered here anti-clockwise as positive, clockwise then becomes negative. Total torque that we have found the value of K. See here, sixth question, actually very easiest question they have asked. कभी कभी जेई बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन पूछता है एंड यू आर कंफ्यूज, अच्छे अच्छे बच्चे क्या कंफ्यूज होकर के देयर इज सम ट्विस्ट, वहाँ पर कुछ ट्विस्ट होगा, दे आर डूइंग रॉन्ग, बट देयर इज नो ट्विस्ट. डिस्कस द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इमेज फॉर्म. ठीक है, concave mirror they have given and beyond see one real object they have put it. So what will be the image? We know how we are forming the image. Parallel lines passes through and center of curvature return back with the same. You can see here how image is formed. Image is real, inverted and diminished. So what will be the correct option? The real, diminished and inverted. So there is no twist. Very easy question based upon 10th. ठीक है, तो light this year they have asked in first shift, very easy. Okay, one more question. This is also easy question. 3 mole of O2 mixed with 5 mole of argon at temperature T. Find the total energy of the system. Actually, what we know, when two gases are mixed, we want to find the total energy. How we are finding? F1 degree of freedom, N1 RT upon 2, F2 degree of freedom, N2 R2 upon 2. For total energy, we can apply directly this formula. So O2 degree of freedom, how many degree? 3 translated to rotatory. So here degree of freedom is 5. N1 number of mole is 3. RT upon 2 plus F2 argon. This is diatomic, but this is argon monatomic. Monatomic degree of freedom only translatory. So degree of freedom is 3. And N2 number of mole is 5. RT divided by 2. 15 by 2, 15 by 2. So this is 15 plus 15, 30 upon 2 mean 15 RT. So what will be the total energy of this system? The total energy of this system will be 15 RT. Very easy questions they have asked. So sometimes they are asking very simple question.